Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about important questions of the subject microcontrollers with the subject code BCS402. So let's get started with the module 1. In module 1 we have 7 questions. The first, mention the difference between microcontroller and microprocessor. Second, RISC and CISC. Second, explain the architecture of an ARM embedded device with the help of a neat diagram. 3. Explain in detail about current program status register. 4. With a neat diagram, explain embedded system hardware. 5. How are monitor and control internal operations performed in ARM core? Explain in brief. 6. Explain memory management in ARM core. Compare cache and tightly coupled memory. 7. Explain mechanism applied by ARM core to handle exceptions, interrupts using different vector table. So next module 2. 1. Explain different arithmetic instructions in ARM processor with an example. 2. Explain single register load store addressing mode syntax, table, index mode with an example. 3. Explain barrel shifter instructions in ARM with suitable examples. 4. Examine the data processing instructions requirement in the manipulation of data register. Explain in brief data processing instructions. 5. Explain the following 32-bit instruction of ARM processor: CMN, MLA, MRS, BIG, LDR. You have to explain this. 6. Explain the following with the example: stock operation and swap instruction. 7. Explain branch instruction in ARM with suitable examples. Demonstrate branch instruct usage flow of execution with the example program. In module 3, 1. Explain code optimization, profiling and cycle counting. 2. Write a C program that prints the square of the integers between 0 to 9 using functions and explain how to convert this C function to an assembly function with command. 3. Discuss how registers are allocated to optimize the program. 4. Develop an ALP to find the sum of first 10 integer numbers. 5. Explain the different data types in C. Provide example of how each data type can be used in a C program. 6. Discuss the process of a function call in C. 7. Discuss the common probability issues faced when writing C program, how these issues can be mitigated. 8. How are function call handle efficiently in calling a function in C. 9. How function calling is efficiently used by ARM through APCS with an example program. Next we have module 4. 1. With a neat diagram, explain ARM processor exceptions and modes. 2. Explain assigning interrupts and interrupt latency. 3. Briefly explain IRQ and FIQ exception and what happens when an IRQ and FIQ exception is raised with an ARM processor and also how it is disabled. 4. Explain firmware execution flow and explain Red Boot. 5. Explain exception priorities and link register offset. 6. Discuss the sequence of operations that occur when an ARM processor handles an IRQ exception. 7. What are the key difference between the bootloader and firmware? Module 5. 1. Explain the basic architecture of cache memory. 2. Explain how main memory maps to a cache memory. 3. With a neat block diagram, explain associative cache. 4. Briefly explain cache line replacement policies. 5. With a neat diagram, explain set associative cache, how are efficiently measured. 6. Explain the basic use of cache controller. 7. Mention any 4 relationship between cache and main memory. 8. Describe the allocation policy on a cache miss. So these are all the important questions for your MC. So if you're focusing only on passing, then you have to study at least 3 modules completely. So that is it for today's video. And if you have any doubts, you can put them into the comment section and make sure I reply to it. And like the video, subscribe the channel and share it to all your friends. Thank you. Wish you all the best.